Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you've been to my channel, hi, how are you? It is great to see you. I am Melissa. Thank you to meeting you. Thank you to meeting you. Yeah, that's how good I am with people. Anyway, guys, if you can see, today we are doing another review, and I am so backed up in videos right now. You guys are gonna see like so many videos before I post this video. I'm gonna try and post this in between the other videos I have, but my uploads have been crazy and they've been taking so long. So if you have any advice for that, although I probably will have found the problem already since this will probably be posted next week. But anyways, today I'm bringing you a review on the Blush Bunch. And it is this little pack. It's empty right now, but it is this little pack. Can you see it? Can you see it? And it has all the Benefit powder products. I'm going to go through them and I'm going to talk about them. I'm going to swatch them on my hand. I have a demo of me using the Hoola versus their little mini size, and yeah, I have some information as well. So if you guys are interested in this review, then stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, that is always important to me. So many people watch my videos and don't subscribe. Like, come on, what is going on? Anyway, I love you guys, and let's get into this. Guys, so I decided for this video, I think I'm just going to swatch these on my hand and show you guys, because I do have a demo of me using the Hoola, and I think I can give you a pretty good description of what these are like. Alright, as a cliff note to this video, I have not tried any of the blushes. The only product I have is the Hoola bronzer in the mini size, which I assume is the same as the full size. Who knows now then? Oh, now I'm worried about that. But yes, I do have the mini Hoola bronzer, and this little blush bunch comes with a mini Hoola bronzer. Now, let's get into this. I have a little tiny bit of information. You guys always know I try to give a little bit of information about this product, where you can find it, what, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so this is $32 Canadian. If you're an American, which you probably are, it'll obviously be less. But you can find it on Sephora, you can find it on Ulta, I think. Everything will be in the description. I will try to link or tell you guys where this stuff is. If you guys are reading this, if you guys are watching this, then obviously you probably know where to find it, and you're just wondering if it's like, you know, worth your money even. But I digress. Anyway, so it is a $75 value, apparently. There are 6 of their best-selling products, as well as their brand new Gold Rush in here. This is limited edition. Hoola Light, Dandelion, and Hoola have 2.6 grams or 0.09 ounces. And if you like compare, they are very small. They are small. I'm not going to tell you they're not. They are super small. But I had no problem fitting a brush or anything into these palettes, these little containers. I do think that they would go bad easier though. And the shelf life on these is 12 months except for Dandelion, which apparently I kind of screwed up, guys. I thought this was a blush. Gosh, guys, I'm going to have to write in the comments down below, is Dandelion a blush? It is really, really pink to be a brightening powder. I gotta look that up. But when I looked it up on Sephora so that I could get a little bit more information before this video, just on like how many ounces are in it and everything, it said it was a brightening powder, and I was like, brightening powder? So I am gonna put that in the description. I don't know, it looks like a blush. Anyway, so there's a 12-month shelf life except Dandelion, which is pretty darn good, considering these are only 1.6 pans. Now this is a lot. Like, if you go through this in a year, good on you, like, honestly. And they were all made in the USA except for Rockateur, which is made in France. No, they are not cruelty-free. From what I know, Benefit is not cruelty-free, and I'm assuming they're not vegan if they're not cruelty-free. So let's get into the swatches. So you get Hoola, which is this little baby here, and they open up, they're just plastic containers, no mirror, obviously, and they have a little stamp on the back, and then they also tell you like the grams and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so anyway, this Hoola is really smooth. Like I'm gonna take the Hoola Light, or no, Hoola that I have from here, and this actually feels a little bit more coarse than, yeah, see, this one is the Hoola from the container, and this one is my Hoola. I think it's just that it's newer and it's a little bit smoother because it's newer. Mind you, this isn't that old. It's only like maybe a year old tops, but I just found that this Hoola was a little bit smoother. Also, you get Hoola Light. Now, Nikki Tutorials uses this, and I was like, damn, Nikki, her skin is light. This is Hoola Light. So it looks like that. And when you give it a good swatch, like, this is super light. Like, honestly, some people could use this as a setting powder, but you do get it in the kit, and I have found that when I am like super rushing out the door for work, which doesn't happen a whole lot because I am up at like 4 a.m. for work every day because I like to do my makeup and relax, blah, blah, blah. I have found that that was a really handy product because it gives you just enough color where you don't look insane and you're not going to go intense with the bronzer, but it gives you just enough that you can get out the door. Alright, the next one you get is their brand new one, Gold Rush. This, and I found this with all of their blushes, Dandelion, Rockateur, maybe not California because it's pretty bright, but that you have to put on a little, like these are very forgiving blushes. You know, I found that I was applying them pretty like intensely. So honestly, like I don't even think I'm ever gonna have to put this in a project pan because I'm gonna be using these. They just, you have to pack them on. And I don't know if that's normal for Benefit blushes, so give me, you know, a heads up if it's not normal. This one is in Gold Rush and it needed some building. It's very cute, like honestly. And then this, the shade is just a very like peachy and it's very shimmery. It's got that pretty sheen to it. I don't see any glitter though. So I was really happy about that. I wore it and I feel like I do have to build quite a bit with these blushes. Then you have Rockateur, which is in the same little packaging, just with Rockateur on it. And this one is a little bit more on like, let me swatch it. It's more on the neutral side. It is a satin blush, I would say. This one at least. I'm not sure about the normal Rockateur, but yes, this is a very satiny blush. I found that most of these had a little bit of shimmer in them, but it was very neutral. It's a very neutral, it's not too pink, it's not too, you know, deep, it's not too berry. It was just in between. It was really nice on, again, one of those days where I was just like, all right, let's go. Alright, so now we have Dandelion, which I thought, baby pink brightening face powder. But where do you use it? Brightening, in my opinion, means like in the eye area. No. Alright, so this is Dandelion. And like, as you can see, it's like a pink blush, but isn't that a blush? Like, honestly, people. Okay, I need to know. Comments. What is this? I used it as a blush and it was very pretty. It's a very light pink blush. It needs building, obviously, but it was super, super pretty. That's what I liked about these blushes, is that they were very forgiving and I could just like, you know, like just whip on the blush and it came out beautiful. The last but not least, yes, the last but not least is California, which is the only bright blush in this sponge. I found that I didn't have to like build this up anywhere near as much. And it is a very, I'd say it's almost orange. And I love their packaging. And see, it's a very orangey, almost watermelon blush. Super, super pretty. I was really impressed by these. And honestly, like if you're wanting to try a crap ton of products from Benefit in a very affordable way, this is the way to go. I had no problem with any of these products. They all feel very nice on the skin. Oh, one thing that I did want to mention is that most of them are pretty heavily scented. Like, let me just, yeah, see, this one, California, is kind of vanilla-like, almost lotiony. Dandelion, I don't really smell much. Ooh. Yeah, Rockateur I don't smell much either. Gold Rush is like a sunscreen. Yeah, I definitely smell like an odd sunscreeny smell from that. And then the Hoola, Again, doesn't smell like anything, and neither does the Hula Light. Ooh, I don't know about that. Their Hula Light might have a tiny bit of fragrance, but it's really Gold Rush and California that have the most. I much prefer California's smell because it's like a vanilla type of lotion smell. But Rockateur has a very sunscreeny weird smell. I'm sure that that's just the perfume that they put in that blush, and for the 2 seconds that I'm putting it on, I can smell it, and then it completely goes away and I don't smell it anymore. But I have like noticed that sometimes I'll be like putting it on really early in the morning and I'm just like, ooh, geez, that smells. But it, you know, in other circumstances, I probably wouldn't care. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do have a little clip, I almost forgot, I do have a little clip of me putting on the Hula versus this Hula, and I'm just gonna throw that in right now. Guys enjoyed this, and as you can see, like, they went on exactly the same. I know. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It's been a ride right now. Like, I never thought I'd have issues uploading, like actually uploading, and now I'm kind of having issues, and it's just like, what is going on? I have so many videos, come on. But yeah, guys, I'm hoping to get so many more videos out to you guys. I have so many great ideas for you guys, and if you guys have any ideas for me as well, make sure you comment down below. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And if you're, you know, just perusing YouTube, you found me, here we go. Why don't you watch another video? I can put one up here. Just go ahead, click this video. Or, even better, click down here. That is going to send you to my channel so you can subscribe. Alright guys, I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye!